In this video, I will show you exactly how the Iron Eraser Rust Spray performs when put to the ultimate test on real-world metal surfaces. If you have ever dealt with stubborn orange stains on your car wheels or rusted garden tools, you know how frustrating it is to scrub for hours with very little progress. This product claims to dissolve iron particles and oxidation on contact without the need for harsh chemicals or heavy manual labor. I wanted to see if it actually lived up to the hype or if it was just another gimmick. To start the review, I applied a generous amount of the clear liquid to a heavily brake-dusted rim that had not been deep cleaned in months. Within seconds, the transparent liquid began to turn a deep shade of purple as it reacted with the iron contaminants. This chemical reaction is actually quite satisfying to watch as it essentially melts the bond between the metal and the rust. After letting it sit for about 3 minutes, I simply sprayed it down with a hose, and almost all the grime washed away instantly. I also tested it on an old wrench found in my garage, which was coated in a thick layer of surface rust. While it did not remove every single pit in the metal, the transformation was undeniable. The spray is safe on paint and clear coats, which makes it a versatile tool for any DIY enthusiast. It does have a strong pungent scent that lingers, so make sure you use it in a well-ventilated area. Overall, it is an effective time saver for anyone looking to restore metal surfaces back to their former glory. Thank you for watching my honest review, and I hope this helps you decide if it is right for your next project.